Hi, my name is Ryan Stewart. I'm the College of Education IT Manager. Today I want to give you a tour about the video room we have in the computer lab. This room is ideal for recording presentations or video narratives. Today I want to talk about two methods we can provide for you for getting your filming done. One of them is with a cell phone, and one of them is a full-size camera. In this section, I want to talk about the cell phone device that we have. It gives much better light and better features for using your personal cell phone for filming indoors or out. This is the cell phone ring light. It has two options for power. It has a battery option for outdoors and a plug-in option for indoors. You can simply turn on the light here, and this is running on wall power. If you're outdoors, you put in the battery from the top down, pushing firmly. And to get the battery out, you have to push the release button while pushing upwards, firmly. This is how you put the case in the device. It will be very firm. You have to make sure you stretch the bar all the way out. For a large phone, it requires a little bit of tension. The ring light gives smooth and even color for filming with your cell phone. As you can see, my face is consistently lit. In the fourth floor studio, we have a paper background. With the lights provided, these two LED lights, we suggest aiming them at the paper background. When these two lights are pointed at the backdrop, it creates a cleaner background. We also suggest turning on the key light to 80%. You can adjust the brightness, but again, we suggest 80%. We also have audio devices. We have a transmitter and a receiver that can plug into your device. This is the receiver RX. Plug this one into your camera or your cell phone. To turn it on, here's the power button. You have to hold the power button down to get a light on the display. The microphone has a TX for transmitter. Clip the lavalier mic on the subject and turn on the microphone. When both units are turned on, the monitor on the receiver will show RX and TX. That way you know both units are working. Do a test video on your phone and check the audio level. If the audio level is too loud, you can open the receiver and check the decibel level and turn it down to -10. If you need to change the battery, push the button here and open the unit to change the batteries. This room is also equipped with two stools and a height adjustable desk for your notes. And please remember, we suggest taking a short clip, reviewing your footage before you spend time on a long project. Please enjoy the space and explore fun ways to film.